Okay. I am about to showcase the single best low health sound effect there has been in the face of Ocarina of Time Rando. There never will be another low health sound effect to top this one. I promise you that. Let's see. Where can I go to take the most damage? Suppose I could just, bomb myself down. Oh. That worked swimmingly. There is never in the face of Rando going to be a better low health sound effect. Hyping it all up. Promise you that. Before, if you thought Mweep was the best sound effect, you weren't wrong. You weren't wrong. Mweep is fantastic. I'll take Mweep any day. But now that the sound effects can be randomized to pretty much anything in the game, this has overtaken Mweep as the best. And we're almost there. Just a few more bombs. Be there. It's good stuff, man. I might have lost this race that I got this seed in, but I am so glad to have raced in this seed. Purely for this low health sound effect. 2 more bombs and that should be it. Oh. It fucking kills me every time. Oh my god. Alright. Now, hang on. I just thought of something that will make this even better. Drowning? Alright. One last thing left. For your postulation. This low health sound effect, if when Ocarina of Time Rando Online ever becomes a thing, where you can see each other running through the world, if you could hear your other person's low health sound effect as they ran up to you, and it had dynamic sound, can you fucking imagine coming up on your partner with this? There is no way on earth that you would not die laughing. I think the best way to experience it would be if you were out here on Hyrule Field and you saw someone super slide by you with that on. Get the Doppler effect going on. The Link ambulance coming by. Oh my god. Alright, thanks for watching this. This is dumb. Peace out, Cub Scouts.